What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love-made edible. In our kitchen today, we'll be preparing some nice summer cocktails for you guys, and I do hope you will enjoy, so stay tuned. For your mojitos, you will need your berries. I have some frozen berries. Fresh one is good. I have some lime, ice, my mint. I have some vodka. I have a simple syrup made from equal parts sugar and water. I have my blue Curacao liquor. And I have my Sprite. And that's it for your mojitos. The first step is to add your blueberries to your cup. To your blueberries, you're going to add a peppermint leaf. And you're just going to get a muddle your blueberries and your peppermint leaf together. You can probably add a leaf or two. I'm going to add two. Now if you don't have something to muddle it, you can use a wooden spoon. Trying to infuse that mint leaf into your berries to get a great flavor, guys. Once you have finished muddling your berries with your mint, you're now going to add your simple syrup. Right, adding some sweetness to this, not too sweet. And you're going to add your ice. And then you're going to pour in, you can add club soda, but I'm going to use Sprite, right, as my liquid. Nice. And then to top that off, I'm going to just squeeze a lime right over. Not too much. There you have it, guys, your blueberry mojito made right here in Moya Moy's kitchen. Do enjoy. Pretty simple and easy, right? For your Blue Lagoon, you're going to add some vodka. Now we're mixing our juice first. Then you're going to add some lemonade. Then you're going to squeeze some lime juice to this, right? Now what you want to do is to cover your shaker. So this is my shaker that I'll be using, and you're going to just stir and shake. Now to a glass, you're going to add some ice, and you're filling your cup. And now you're going to pour in your mixture that you had, right? Nice. And it's now time to add your blue liquor. Now you're just going to add just a few drops, right? Ooh, that magic. And I'm just going to stir this up. There you have it, guys, your Blue Lagoon made right here in Moya Moy's kitchen. To enjoy. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining until the end. Big up your nice, clean self. And guys, if you have not done so before, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what next you'd want me to prepare. And thank you so much for joining. So until then, goodbye. hold on, people. Remember, I'm on the road to 2,000K, so help me get there, okay? Bye, guys.